A powerful outbreak of severe weather brought tornadoes, destructive winds, giant hail, and flash flooding across Kansas and surrounding areas on Monday, the 18th of May, 2026.
Get in here!
The fast-moving storm system caused widespread damage, including fallen trees, power outages, flooded streets, and dangerous travel conditions within only a matter of minutes. The city of Manhattan was among the hardest hit areas. Torrential rainfall triggered flash flooding throughout the city, especially near the Kansas State University campus and along Bluemont Avenue.
Going the wrong way.
Wrong way, pal.
Wrong way down the one-way, pal.
River running through my yard.
Videos recorded by students showed streets rapidly turning into rivers as floodwaters overwhelmed roadways and stranded vehicles. Residents reported that areas in front of apartment complexes became heavily flooded shortly after the intense rain began.
That's not that whole street. Oh, it's hailing again. This car right here might be stuck.
I think it's right on top. Oh yeah, here we go.
There you go.
In addition to the flooding, severe storms moving through Manhattan produced wind gusts reaching 67 miles per hour, intense lightning, and hail. Travel conditions southwest of the city quickly became hazardous because of poor visibility and rapidly rising water levels. Similar destruction was reported in Wamego, where winds measured up to 78 miles per hour tore through the town. Gas station signs were destroyed, tree limbs were snapped, and power outages affected parts of the eastern side of the community. Authorities issued a destructive severe thunderstorm warning as the intense line of storms swept across the area. In Newton, residents described violent winds, estimated near 80 miles per hour, accompanied by marble-sized hail. Meanwhile, in areas southwest of Sedgwick and near the border of Edwards County, residents discovered hailstones as large as tennis balls after the storms passed. Several tornadoes were also reported across the state. A tornado was observed near Blue Rapids as severe storms moved through the region. Another brief tornado circulation was captured near Holton, where an intense rear flank downdraft surge blasted through the town. Near Vesper, a weak tornado circulation was also detected on radar and may have briefly touched the ground.
Welcome to Kansas.
In downtown Kansas City, multiple bright power flashes lit up the skyline as destructive thunderstorms moved into the metropolitan area. Damaging winds and heavy rainfall caused additional power disruptions across the city. One of the most dangerous flooding situations occurred along McDowell Creek in Geary County. The normally calm creek rapidly transformed into a raging torrent, carrying trees and debris downstream. Officials warned residents never to drive through flooded roads, emphasizing that fast-moving water can sweep away vehicles in only seconds. Severe weather impacts also extended into Beatrice and the Siouxland region, highlighting the massive scale of the storm system sweeping across the Great Plains. Damage reports continued to emerge as the storms pushed farther east throughout the evening.
Man. Oh. Keep going. Oh, no, don't die.